Now, Akhilesh Yadav becomes Samajwadi Party chief by the virtue of being the son of Mulayam Singh Yadav. If you have to use that corollary on Rajnath Singh, then his son
we don't
would have become BJP president.
We don't.
You know, that is not happening. And in fact, Rajnath Singh, when he was, Deepak, listen, please. This is not Rajat, मैं बोल रहा हूँ. सुनिए ना, Rajnath Singh जब पार्टी के मुखिया थे, he denied ticket to his son, Pankaj from Noida. He said, no, when I am party president, my son will not get ticket. You know, unlike in the case of Samajwadi Party, where from Mainpuri, Dimple Yadav, from Azamgarh, Dharmendra Yadav, from Badaयूं, Chacha Shivpal Yadav, from Firozabad, nephew Akshay Yadav. So obviously, you know, the issue is that when you say Parivarvad, it's a very different kind of Parivarvad or dynasty with these parties who were on the stage at the Indy protest today, Deepak Ranjan, vis-a-vis what Parivarvad you see in the BJP. Now that's something which is endemic to Indian politics. Maybe if you look at the Clintons, if you look at, you know, the Kennedys, it's there. Political families are there in other geographies also. But this is a very different kind of Parivarvad we are seeing. And that's what Rajat is indicating to. Deepak.
See, Abhishek, we don't want a chief like JP Nadda. By mistake, he went in his PM Modi's Mala, and how the whole India, whole country saw that. What was his position? JP Nadda ji, Raksha Mantri ji,
RP Singh, we are going
to public. This is not Parivarvad. This is Parivar Sangharsh.
वो आपके पार्टी के अध्यक्ष की को थोपा गया है, हमारे चुना के पार्टी अध्यक्ष होता है.
अरे कौन सा पार्टी अध्यक्ष माला गलती से पहन ले रहा है तो उसको आप हटा दे रहे हो आरपी सिंह जी आप लोग. ऐसा अध्यक्ष किसका होता? आज आपने
माला का पता नहीं आप कहाँ की कहानी बना रहे, परंतु हमारे पार्टी अध्यक्ष चुना जाता है और नड्डा जी हमारे पार्टी अध्यक्ष चुने गए हैं.
Okay, Deepak Ranjan. Okay, Deepak Ranjan.
पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट. And we all know what happened to
Deepak Ranjan. I can pick up on those 5 seconds. Okay, pull back. RP Singh, hold on. Deepak Ranjan, you know, I can also pick up 5 seconds of clip here and there. For example, today only, if you look at the 5 seconds, when Sunita Kejriwal comes to say hello to Sonia Gandhi, and you can actually read the face of Sonia Gandhi that, okay, fine, I am sort of tolerating you. You know, we can't nitpick these 5 seconds of clips. Even if I get that message, when you look at that brief 5-second interaction between Sunita Kejriwal and Sonia Gandhi. George Kurian, remember, Arvind Kejriwal cut his teeth into politics by abusing the Gandhis. And today, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Vadra had to share a stage with Sunita Kejriwal and for a rally which was ostensibly in support of Arvind Kejriwal. But I want to discuss in the last 5-7 minutes of this conversation the focus that we had when we began the conversation. Now, you know, Piyush Joshi said, and perhaps rightly so, Anirban, you are mentioning, I'll come to you, Pulla Rao, I can see you want to say something. But let me take this to you only. Anirban said it's CB, ED, income tax, that's really guiding the BJP agenda or BJP politics. Piyush Joshi was a little more honest. He said, we have on the one side careerist politicians, professional politicians, who look where their side of the bread is buttered or where their career prospects are best. And on the other side, Pulla Rao, we also have the voter who's not interested in what the ED is doing to this specific leader or that particular leader, what the CBI is doing. They are also concerned about what they are getting. So in a way, while we are discussing whether there is some kind of ideological confusion, there seems to be a transactional relationship emerging between the electorate and the leaders. Please deliver on your promises and then move on. Pulla Rao.
I just have one thing. First, Stalin is the only leader who spent the entire emergency in jail. Remember that. Remember that. Entire emergency he was in jail. No one on that stage, this stage. He cut his teeth. He suffered. Whether he's good or bad, that's another issue. He was the only
So
leader
you are
who spent
confirming the end
entire
of
time in
ideology.
jail.
He was spent the
Emergency.
entire
Was it
emergency in jail, and now he is
Fine.
happy in a happy alliance with the Congress party, the same Congress party who brought in the emergency.
Abhishek,